was mentioned as a disaster-line country because of the variety and high intensity of disasters. For that, we need to strengthen disaster management with good planning and cooperation from all stakeholders, including universities. ITS developed the Center for Disaster Mitigation and Climate Change Research as a unit that focuses on research from various sciences to reduce the risk of disasters and climate change.
The Research Center for Disaster Mitigation and Climate Change, or PUSIT MKPI, is under the Directorate of Research and Community Services, DRPM, in ITS. MKPI offers ideas, solutions, technologies, and models in disaster and climate risk reductions based on a comprehensive and thorough research and outreach programs. The MKPI Research Center is supported by research members from various departments at ITS with master, doctoral, and professor with research themes that are in line with the MKPI roadmap. The roadmap includes flooding, earthquake, tsunami, landslide, mud volcano, capacity buildings, disaster rapid assessment, temporary shelters, climate change, and sea level rise. In the development of science and technology, MKPI takes an active role in various forms of activities, such as making research collaboration by involving researchers from various departments and partners, both at home and abroad, conducting research activities by looking at the realities of the needs in the field, and prototyping of disaster risk reduction technology products, such as earthquake preparedness strategy for Surabaya, collaboration with Surabaya government and the UK government, the impact of solar radiation management from UNESCO, TWS, estimation of CO2 emissions in the peatland region of South Borneo, funded by Japan, Asian Science Technology, urban flood risk assessment and loss analysis with a 3D visualization method, collaboration with Chiba University, Japan, develop tools for earthquake simulators, low-risk spatial plan model, and real-time flood monitoring, and then the 3D evacuation map for people with disabilities. So we invite all of you to collaborate with us in ITS. Thank you very much.